Yes, now the grievances, the problems were listed in 40,000 letters by the Third Estate, and Louis XVI warned that he should practice some illegal things, that people will not interfere and they will accept whatever he will shape. But the members of the Third Estate demanded that voting now to be conducted by the assembly as a whole, means there should be one vote, one value. This is mentioned the book written by the Rousseau in a social contract. The book name is Social Contract. When the king rejected this proposal, Third Estate had leave the assembly. They come out from that and rejected the king. Okay, king is not accepting our proposal, we will reject the king. So this kind of attitude has brought first time the mass concept. Now what had happened, that people when they come out from the assembly, they have made their own assembly, and the national, they swore as a constitution. How we swear, we take the oath. They swore not to despair till they had a final draft of the constitution. They were led by the Mirabeau Abbasi. Mirabeau was born in a noble family, one of the person, but was convinced of need to do away with the society feudal privilege. I already told you the feudal system. He had brought out journal and delivered powerful speeches to crowd assemble and wrestle, because that time there was no mic system like that. They were like speaking in a public places. Abbasi, originally a priest, he was a priest, wrote an influential pamphlet called What is Third Estate, that was influenced. While the National Assembly was busy in Versailles drafting constitution, in the rest of the France seethed with turmoil. Means rest of the France there was too much turmoil. On 14 July, an agitated crowd stormed and destroyed the Bastille. There was lack of supply of food, so they destroyed the food store center and collected the food. In the countryside, rumors spread village to village that the lord of manor had hired bands of brigades who were on the way to destroy the rice crops. Means there was a kind of humor that the people of army, people of king, they will come and they will destroy the farm product of the farmers. So like this way they caught a freezy fear. Peasants and several districts seized the hoes and pitchforks, means the axe while plowing farmers use that kind of, and was used as a weapon. They looted, hoarded grains, and burned down the documents containing records of manorial laws. A large number of nobles fled. Fled means they run away from their homes, and many of them migrated to neighbor countries. Faced with the power of revolt subject, Louis XVI finally accorded recognition of the National Assembly. He accepted the National Assembly that is formed by the Third Estate. A principle that is a power from now be checked by the Constitution, means all the activities of the king will be checked by the Constitution. On the night 4 August 1789, the Assembly passed a decree. Decree means a law, abolishing feudal system, obligation of taxes. Members of clergy were too forced to give the privileges. So the first estate has to lose the privileges and has to pay the taxes as the third estate do. Tithis were abolished and the lands owned by the church were confiscated. Confiscated matlab take away. As a result, government acquired assets worth of 2 billion livres. Livres is a currency. So 2 billion livres assets were collected from the first estate. Now France become a constitutional monarch. Now this is very important. Now if you bring constitution, it doesn't bring you the power, but something brings you power, that is democracy. Yes, the France become constitutional monarch. So there is not yet democracy, it is still a monarch, it is the initial stage of democracy. So the constitution has been introduced, but not the system. The system is still monarchy. So this is very important topic, one has to understand very clearly. So now we are starting with the France become a constitutional monarch. National Assembly completed the draft of constitution in 1791. Its main objective was to limit the power of monarch, nothing else. Its main objective is to limit the power of constitutional monarch. This power instead being concentrated in the hand of one people, one now separated, assigned by the different institute. Nothing has changed, it's same. Okay.